Okay, a little over a year ago, I did a video on this Whirlpool flat top range that we got. Its model number is the WFE525S0HS. There are also similar models that have the similar features and everything. So far it's been a good range. The only problem that we have had was that we would go to cook something in the oven and go to preheat it. We would preheat it, set it at 350 or 400 or whatever it needed, and let it preheat and come back, 10-15 minutes later, and it was only to 145 degrees. It wouldn't go past that. So we called the place where we bought it from here in Nebraska, Carl's furniture store, and they sent out a technician. What happened was they said the motherboard kind of fried up and it melted some other wires along with it. So we were still under warranty, and we happened to have the extended warranty also, but basically they replaced the motherboard and those other wires that got melted in the mix, and then at no cost to us. So we got kind of lucky. But if you're having any similar problems like that, that could be what it is. It was during the pandemic, so it did take a little bit longer to get the new motherboard and get it fixed, but the cooktop still worked, so we were still able to use the top, and we had an air fryer and a Traeger and everything, so we still got it done. But I just want to put a video out on that's the only problem we have had with this Whirlpool range thus far, and it's fixed and it's working right. And I just want to put it out there, let you know if you're having any similar issues with it. That could be possibly what it is, and hopefully it's under warranty like it was with us, or you have the extended warranty and it won't cost you nothing. So that's that. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want, leave comments below, and thanks for watching.